A local barbershop believes to have found the hair of the dog for wait times. Our Marguerite Cardone learns how this barbershop is keeping customers happy in and out of the chair.
The Chilling in Styles Bar and Lounge next door to Haircut Corner puts the bar in Barbershop.
Sometimes at Haircut Corner we have a lot of clientele, a lot of customers. Sometimes the wait times can run anywhere from 20 minutes to half an hour to an hour, maybe up to 2 hours.
Haircut Corner encourages customers waiting for haircuts to run errands. Owner Elisa Nardowitz wants to give folks another option.
We thought of a place where they can come exactly next door. And they can come in here, they can have anything from a menu. We have a variety of food and drinks. And they don't have to buy anything. They can just sit here and wait for their turn.
The restaurant is open to anyone, even those not on the wait list. Manager and stylist at Haircut Corner, Aubrey Montgomery, believes the restaurant brings people in.
We don't have any other food in this plaza, so we've been talking about it for a long time, that it'd be nice that we didn't have to drive anywhere because a lot of us don't bring lunch. So to have it right next door, I know a lot of the girls have already been eating lunch over here every day, so it's been pretty exciting for us.
Elisa and Aubrey have been thrilled with the customers' response.
Very, very good. We are very satisfied. Every day we get more customers.
You know, it's right next door. It's convenient. It helps with the wait times a lot. A lot of people are excited because they can come over here and just hang out, and then when it's their turn, they can come back over. So the concept's really neat.
No appointment is necessary to chill in style at Chilling in Styles. Marguerite Cardone, Star City News, Lafayette.